Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get discounts for Six Flags. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my device, and now I'm going to head on over to Google, and then from here in the search bar I'm going to type in discounts for Six Flags, and now here are all the results inside Google. So I've got coupon follow, Six Flags coupon codes, got real tell me not, groupon.com. So I can click onto any one of these third-party sites to get discounts, but for the one I like to use is couponfollow.com. I find this works best for this website. So as you can see, you got 50% off using promo code, 70% off, $15 off, $31 off using codes. So now to activate any one of these codes here, click on any one of them, and now score 50% discount using promo codes. So I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to paste this code at the checkout section of Six Flags to activate that offer. And when you're inside the checkout section, look for a place where it says enter promo or discount code, and then put that code inside that box to activate that code.